What's the meaning of ashen? Ashen. Ashen.
Ashen. Ashen. The word ashen refers to something that is pale or gray in color, usually as a result of being depleted of life or vitality. When someone has an ashen complexion, it means that their skin has lost its usual healthy color and appears gray or pale, often indicating illness or extreme fatigue. Similarly, when something appears ashen in color, it can indicate decay or lifelessness. Overall, the term ashen suggests a lack of vibrancy and vitality, often associated with death, decay, or loss.